Testing for water. First of all, using anhydrous copper sulfate or cupric sulfate, since we have 2 next to copper. Anhydrous means without water. Water turns white anhydrous copper sulfate blue. In this figure, we have testing for water with anhydrous copper sulfate. The copper sulfate solution doesn't contain water of crystallization. That's why it's white. If we put water above it, the cupric sulfate turns from white to blue. Anhydrous copper sulfate lacks water of crystallization and is white, as we just mentioned. So it doesn't contain water of crystallization and it's white. But if we put water on it, it turns blue, since the water we put acts as the water of crystallization. It turns the anhydrous copper sulfate from its white color to a blue color. The equation between copper sulfate and water is copper sulfate plus water reacts to give copper sulfate dot water. We have a dot since the water we put is the water of crystallization. So cupric sulfate now contains water of crystallization.